You got a problem with it? Take it up with my supervisor. Oh, that's right, I don't have one. Good luck with that. Oh, we got some cleanup to do. This fence line needs removed, trimmed out. Some more brick pillars to get rid of. There's a couple old wagon wheels used for decoration. Those gotta go. Yeah, there's fence under all that. And it lines our driveway. And we're gonna get rid of it. With just a chainsaw and an excavator. Let's get dirty. So far, so smooth. Sometimes it's difficult recording down here by the roadway. It gets loud with traffic. So let's continue on. A lot of ants. Yummy. All right, now they got those posts out of there. I can clean these pieces up by hand, no big deal. I mean, that's what loaders are for, right? Other than that ugly ass brown paint, some of this is still usable. I did that. You got a problem with it? Take it up with my supervisor. Oh, that's right, I don't have one. Good luck with that. With the price and availability of wood these days, I'm not gonna pass this up. I'll keep what I can, burn the rest, I guess. Still solid, most of it. I built something neat with it. I built some pretty good horse shit. You should watch my other videos. What a pain in the ass. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to split this into two. There's quite a bit to do here to finish up with the pillars and clean up. So I think this is where we're going to part ways, and catch me in the second one. Thanks for watching.